Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use JIRA for Agile Project Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your JIRA account. After logging in, select the Projects option from the main menu. Click on Create Project to start a new Agile project. Choose the template that best fits your Agile methodology, such as Scrum or Kanban. Give your project a unique name and key that will identify it. Once your project is created, navigate to the project dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, including the backlog and active sprints. To add tasks, click on the Create button on the top menu. Fill in the task details, including the summary, description, and priority level. Assign the task to a team member by selecting their name from the assigned field. Set a due date if necessary, to ensure timely completion. After filling out the necessary information, click Create to save the task. Next, go to the backlog view to prioritize your tasks. Drag and drop tasks in the backlog to reorder them based on priority. To start a sprint, click on the Start Sprint button located in the backlog section. Define the sprint's duration and give it a meaningful name to distinguish it. During the sprint, encourage your team to update the status of their tasks regularly. Monitor progress by checking the burndown chart available within the sprint reports. As tasks are completed, move them to the Done column to reflect their status. Hold daily stand-up meetings to discuss progress and address any roadblocks. At the end of the sprint, conduct a sprint review to assess completed work. Gather feedback from your team and stakeholders during the review session. Finally, use the insights gained to plan for upcoming sprints and improve processes. This structured approach will help you manage Agile projects effectively with JIRA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.